Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So I'm back out here with my second U807. And I figured it out, guys. It was the props because I found some props to put on this thing. Some of the stock props, and it doesn't do that so much now. That not stopping of the yaw or whatnot, so I just brought it out here to fly it real quick, had some fun with it, and show you guys that I figured it out. So those props are not compatible, just the posts. Bring it in the air so you guys can see. So this is one direction, I stop. The other direction, I stop. And so now it's flying normally. And my transmitter battery is dying though. I hear it beeping on me. So check this guy out. Definitely flies better. Oh, I can't see how far I'm away. Oh, my transmitter's dying. I started doing funnels and it just went down on me. Oh, hitting some twigs over here. The squirrels throw something out of the trees on me. Get some loop action going. Can't really do barrel rolls that good. Yeah, my transmitter's hollering at me. Yeah, this one doesn't fly as good as the other one too. Still, because the other one has ball bearings. This one has bushings. This was the second one that I bought when they start skimping out on the ball bearings and all. And I smacked it right into a tree. See, everything's okay. Yeah, this one doesn't fly as well. It's not as efficient, I guess. But it definitely flies though. Oh, almost hit the trees there. Uh-oh. I was nervous that might happen again with me losing signal with this transmitter battery being so low. I think I'm going to just land it. Some awesome funnels with it. So the U807, my second version of it, well, my second one, the one where they skimped out on the ball bearings and put bushings in it, but I got it fixed. I used the posts from that XS09 or whatever it was, and they work. But you can't use the props because the props make it because the props make it yaw uncontrollably. Thanks for watching.